Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the Vulcan Report with yours truly, Dex the Algo Capitalist, aka the Vulcan, coming to you live from PulseWaveTrading.com. All right, today I do apologize for being late, but I was trying to work some things out, and it appears that I have been unsuccessful. I'm having some major charting issues tonight, and for some odd reason, I cannot get my charts, all of my charts to load. I only have a handful that I have up here. So my deepest apologies for that. I'm sorry. I'll be working on it tomorrow. Hopefully we can get everything back up and running. Thank God that the reports are good to go. They've been out. And now it's just I got to get these charts up and working. So just want to give y'all the heads up. Unfortunately, there's a lot of charts I just cannot pull up tonight. So I managed to get up what I can, and we'll just have to take it from here. All right. All right. So coming into the market today, it was very interesting. This first chart here is the Nasdaq 100. We got even more upside production from the rally alerts, and this thing is just not pulling back. It has no quit in it. It wants to go to 12.5, and that seems to be the trajectory that we're on. All pullbacks have been successful and bid up. All pullback tests to the trend line support have been bid, and the markets just run with it. I mean, they just run. The markets do not quit. And it is very, very interesting, to say the least, how we have just not quit in these markets. It almost makes you want to scratch your head and say, really? So this is what we doing? This is how the market's gonna work. It's just gonna continue this to go up and that's it. Okay. All right. You said so. And that's kind of what we're seeing here. It's just the markets want to go. They don't want to know, they want to go. And every pullback, like I said, has been bid right back up. This has like been the perfect example of a parabolic bull market. It just keeps right on going, and this arcing trajectory upward is just non-stop. And who's to say that it won't, go up another 10 or 20,000? You know, it's just even this back here didn't break the market spirit. It just kept right on going, man. So what can you say? There's nothing I can say. The market's bullish. Buy it. The market is bullish, so be long the market. That's all I can tell you. I have nothing else to tell you. I have nothing for you. I have nothing for you except for if it's the Nasdaq, you need to be long the Nasdaq. That's it. Every pullback is a buying opportunity. Meanwhile, on the long bond, the TLT, you see we came into today with a rally alert, got a little bit of upside projection, production, but getting close to that trend line resistance, which is the initial target. Don't know how much more upside we'll get, being that this has bearish trend momentum readings as well. Once again, all I can say is the market wants to be long. I mean, that's where we are right now. All right, it stopped falling. All right, it's still in a bull market, even though you've broken the trend line support big time. This is the second time this has happened. The first time was back here, and the market just went right back up again. Is it going to get up again? I don't know. I mean, this is the Fed's market. They've been controlling the bond market for the past 20 years. What can I tell you? Right here, we got the Russell My Hustle. Technically speaking, the trade is still to the short side of the market. Well, all rallies are getting sold off. I mean, the market popped up a little today. I mean, it's getting long in the tooth. It's struggling with the up here at this resistance level. Is it going to finally push and pop back up again, or is it going to fall down? I don't know. These markets are just crazy right now. You can tell that they're being suspended in midair. Here's Bank of America, Warren Buffett's baby. We came into today with a crash alert, and what do we get? We got downside production, getting close to the trend line support, which is the initial target. Where we go from there, I don't know, but this market is still in a bear market. It has been in a bear market on the daily charts here since March the 12th of this year, and it has not come out of the bear market. We had strong bear market rallies, one, then we got another one here, two, but that's it. This thing is going absolutely nowhere. Technically speaking, you can make an argument that it's still the same price that it was in May. Yeah, this is Buffett keeping it suspended, keeping it above the trend line. I think if without the Buffett money, we fall back below the Kumo cloud. I mean, this stock is looking atrocious. Like, for real. I mean, what do you do? What are you supposed to do with a stock like this? I mean, I guess I don't know. These are uncertain times, man. Here's the mighty Bitcoin. Mighty Bitcoin. We're getting nice upside production here. I think this one wants to go to 12.5 as well. We got the bullish trend line weekly momentum reading. I think it has everything that it needs to do it. If it fails, though, the rollover could be vicious and get us back down to 10.5. Remember, I said either we go to 12.5 or we going to 10.5. Looks like the market's made his mind up. It wants to go to 12.5. So all we can do is trade what we see, man. I mean, you can't fight the tape. All right, here's Ethereum. Ethereum has been what? Powerful, powerful, powerful. Here it is right here. Whoa. That was weird. My computer just did something crazy. I don't know if it showed on you guys' end or not, but yeah. Wow. I don't know what's going on. We having problems. I told you, I've been having issues, man. My computer's like it was about to just black out on me just now. Hopefully y'all can still hear me, so I'm gonna keep going. All right, this is Ethereum now that we got up here. You can see even more upside production today. Huge upside production as Ethereum is making its way up toward 500. These are crazy times for sure. I mean, what can you do? I mean, it's crazy time. It's crazy house. This is crazy house right now. I don't know what else I can tell you. The markets are just deciding that they're going to do whatever they're going to do. And it's very weird. But here we are. Ethereum is trying to keep the rally train going. I think we're about to hit 500 on the Ethereum. All right, Facebook has been another study in weirdness. So looking just like the Nasdaq chart, but not as good. The Nasdaq, the trend line support was holding and everything, but this one was having problems breaking below that trend line support. All right, having problems. Now we're coming back down again. It's a weird price pattern. Technically speaking, you still got the bullish weekly trend momentum reading, but then your momentum though is showing signs that it wanted to come down. Now it's showing signs that it wants to rally tomorrow. These markets just don't know what they want to do. Do you want to rally or you want to pull back? What do you want to do? Well, we got a rally alert now for Facebook. Again, you can just throw your hands up and just trade what you see. You cannot fight the tape. The market wants to rally, and it's a bullish pointer. I mean, really? The last time we got one of these, boom, market exploded higher. We're about to see more upside potential in Facebook. It's looking like we are, man. It's looking like we are. All right, here's the GDXJ looking at the miners, and all we're seeing here is every rally being sold. 1, 2, and tomorrow is 3. Yes, we have a crash alert for tomorrow. in the GDXJ. I tell you, man, I don't know. I don't know. You can't fight the tape. The tape is in charge. Here's Litecoin. All right, so Litecoin has not been, uh, achieving the level of success that the Ethereum has been achieving. Litecoin here is stuck in a longer, wide-ranging consolidation above the Kumo cloud, and it's like going nowhere. All you did was extend the range, but you're not trending. And this is the beginning now of it's trying to begin and start a bullish phase now. All right, so we got upside production today from the rally alert. All right, so I think more upside is to come. We got a bullish weekly trend momentum reading as well. I think it wants to come up here, challenge this overhead resistance, and get back up into the 70s. Is it possible? Yeah, I think the market can definitely do it. I think it can definitely do it. The only question is it going to do it? Or are the bears going to come in and stifle the rally? Again, your guess is as good as mine. All right, last but not least, here is ROKU. You got more upside production today from the rally alert right here. We got these rally alerts back here. Market is producing and doing what it's supposed to do. Apart from that, I don't know. I think this one probably wants to head up to about 190. So we'll see if it can do it. I think 190 is the next target for the ROKU. All right, ladies and gentlemen, like I told you, today was going to be short, having technical issues. I can't pull up a lot of things and do what I want to do today. I'm going to hopefully have a workaround by tomorrow. We'll see what we can do. But the good news is at least the reports are on and popping. So we'll keep it pushing. I'll let y'all know what's up. And I will, like I say, I'll keep trying. I'll keep trying to see what we can do and get things on and popping the way they're supposed to be. All right, so you know what it is, PulseWaveTrading.com. And remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And I am out. Peace.